What's up, dear viewers? In this video, I will show you how to install CADIMAGE for ArchiCAD 2022. You need to follow these instructions. Right-click, select your ArchiCAD 2022, a shortcut on desktop, right-click, and open file location. Okay, here is the file location. Open the CADIMAGE folder. So I can just double-click my CADIMAGE folder. So this is my ArchiCAD. I currently don't have any CADIMAGE. So let's install CADIMAGE. You need to copy CADIMAGE library. Select and copy into ArchiCAD library. And paste. I'll go back. You need to copy CADIMAGE tools into add-ons. Add-ons folder. So CADIMAGE tools, select add-on folder, right click and paste. I'll go back. You need to copy CADIMAGE tool extras into ArchiCAD installation folder. So this folder, right click and paste. So here it is. You need to copy work environment into defaults, ArchiCAD work environment. So I will paste. And it has been replaced. Now we can close. If you don't immediately see the changes, you need to restart your computer. So I will just close this, and we're going to check after restart of our computer. So let me check if you don't need to restart computer, but I think you should restart your computer. So I'm going to close all this for the changes to take effect. Okay, the changes has taken effect even though we have not restarted the computer. Okay, I can just go to new. And you can see we have CADIMAGE. Here's our CADIMAGE. And just quickly do a model, any model. I'm going to delete. Can just delete that wall. I want to use the CADIMAGE to do some design here. Then for this one, we can just use the intersect tool. I'm going to quickly add some roof. Then I can select, let's see our roof. Okay. Change this angle to 15. That is too small. 25. Just need to use CADIMAGE. Just select, and then CADIMAGE, covering, roof covering. I just use the default settings. We have been able to add wall covering. Just roughly, I can select, activate, select all, and then CADIMAGE, covering. I want wall covering. Just the default. Then the outside, and then we can check our 3D. Now, just in those simple steps, and you have your CAD image. If I go to the top, story 1, you can see the CAD image covering. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.